Durham Public School students are coming together to ask the district to create mental health days. The DPS Students for Mental Health group has created surveys and petitions on this. They took their concerns to the school board last night, saying schools simply don't feel safe and they want to see changes. WRL's Monica Casey looked into the mental health resources that do exist and what the administration is working on.
Durham Public School students are asking for help.
I am suffering mentally, and my friends are also.
The DPS Students for Mental Health group was formed after 2 students were shot near Hillside High School.
People start worrying about if they're safe or if their family or friend that is being shot. Worrying about that can heavily impact on that person's mental health.
It's so frustrating, and we have to keep going through the same things over and over.
The group surveyed more than 600 people on what needs to be done in schools. They laid out 2 requests at Thursday's board meeting.
We're asking the school board to make the 5 state-granted remote learning days into mental health days, and we're asking you to provide students with more mental health resources while they're in school.
The students have also created a petition now with over 1,300 signatures. I spoke with school board chair Bettina Umstead about what administrators can do to meet these students' requests.
I think we as a district need to do a better job of making sure students are connected to the resources that are available in our school system. That's like step number 1.
Umstead says each school has a counselor and many have social workers and school psychologists as well. She tells me the board is taking the students' requests under consideration.
We have young people, we have our students of color who are coming to the table and saying we need support with this. So it's our duty to really take it very seriously and make sure that we provide the actions that they need.
Umstead tells me she's not sure yet if those 5 remote learning days can be used as mental health days under state law, but she says the district will be looking at next year's calendar to try to find space for mental health days. Monica Casey, WRL News in Durham.
And they do have some ideas. Umstead saying that in her conversations with students, they're hoping that these mental health days can be time to connect with each other, hear from speakers, possibly participate in some physical activity, or even meditate.